G'day guys, this video I'm going to be sharing how I clean my microwave. I love this method. It's cheap, it's easy, and it means I can get back to doing the things that are important to me. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Ali. You can expect to see 2 videos a week and they contain things I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about living a simple life with my family on a budget. So before I show you how to clean the microwave, this is the before shot of what it looks like. As you can see, we've got a bit of food stuck on there. So to clean the microwave, what you're going to need is half a cup of vinegar, half a cup of water. I put that into a bowl, then put it into the microwave for 3 minutes, allowing the steam to break up the food. The bowl is super hot, so I always make sure that I'm using oven mitts to remove the bowl from the microwave. Then I used a microfiber cloth to clean it down. I find the steam doesn't necessarily clean the turntable, so I'm taking that out here. I'm going to continue cleaning the microwave while the food's still warm from the steam. So to clean the turntable, what I'm just going to do is run it under some water and then use some dishwashing detergent to give it a clean. So quick and so effective, and now the microwave's clean. Here's the before again. And now afterwards. Like I said at the start, it's a quick and easy method and it doesn't cost much at all. If you enjoyed this video, I've done a vinegar hacks video where I've used vinegar in 5 different ways for cleaning. So I'll leave that video here if you want to go check that out. Please subscribe if you're not. Take care and I'll see you next time. Bye. This town, while I'm slowly heading